Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm here because I finally, after so long, it has been so long since I got a package, honestly, from Influenster. But I was finally picked to do another campaign and I'm so happy to share that with you guys. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. But yeah, let's go ahead and show it off first. So this is the Vera Bradley X Venus, Gillette Venus, and a native Voxbox. It is very, very cute. I absolutely love this box. I think it's super cute. And inside, this is the Gillette Venus Vera Bradley Comfort Glide in Sugarberry. It's actually really, really funny that I got this, that I was picked for these because I literally just started using Gillette Venus razors. I usually use like regular like Bic or whatever, like just disposable razors, like I don't really care. But I just recently decided I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and just buy Gillette Venus razors because I'm like, then I just have to like, you know, dispose of the head and buy a new one. Like, it's not that serious. So I finally decided to bite the bullet and buy one, and then I get picked for this box. So I think it was just so perfect, and it's super, super cute. It smells amazing, honestly. As soon as you open the box, you can smell it. It says, wrap your skin in comfort with flexible moisture bars with added Olay moisture. 5 blades give you unbelievably close shave, revealing lush soft skin. Metal design edition handle. Ooh, cute. It's super duper cute. It smells amazing, and I also 100% in the last couple of weeks that I've been using the Gillette Venus razors, I 100% recommend them. Like, holy, like, I'm like, I don't know how I was using disposable razors before. It's just so easy. Usually I just use like soap. I don't even use like shaving cream. Like, I was just such a whatever. I didn't really care. But after, like, so good. I'm like, I don't know what the heck is my problem. I was always like I never really cared about like this stuff, you know, but I decided I wanted to start caring. And so here I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it. I don't really know what it was that came over me, but I decided to buy it and I 100% recommend it. I absolutely love these. They feel so nice, and you don't even need shaving cream. Like, it just feels so nice because of the moisture bars. I think the one that I have has like a gel bar on it, so it helps like soothe your skin, but also works as a shaving cream, if that makes sense. But it's really nice. And this is what the bar looks like. So this is it. It's super duper cute. I think this is so cute, like the handlebar and everything. It says Vera Bradley Venus, so it has this nice silicone grip right here for when you're shaving. Obviously that's how you grab it. And then this bar is metal, and this cute little stamp right here is so cute. And then of course you have the disposable, you know, you just put the razor here and you take it off whenever you're done with it. I have 2 disposable razor heads, which this is actually really cute. I might just keep this little thing right here so that I can hold my razor, and then also put my disposable, like the extra ones in here, because I have a bunch of extra ones and I didn't know where to put them. So this is actually really nice. I'm gonna keep this part, but this is actually really cute. I'm so excited to try it out. Next we got the Pure by Gillette Venus and Vera Bradley shaving cream with shea butter in honey flower. This is so cute. It says it formulated without dyes, parabens, and sodium lauryl sulfate. Pure is made with shea butter and helps your razor glide smoothly over your skin. Our specially designed formula will help protect against irritation during the shave. Dermatologically tested. That was such a hard word for me. I don't know why. The bottle is super cute. I actually love this cute little designs that they have on it. I'm actually really excited for this. I think I made the change over to Gillette Venus because I do get very irritated after shaving. So I wanted to see if maybe it was the razors. This is just a recent problem. So I wanted to see if it was the razors, and I switched over, and it definitely was. After I switched over to the Gillette Venus, it definitely switched up my game. I think that's why I'm so in love with it, because I haven't felt this comfortable shaving in a long time. So this I'm really excited to try out, especially with the Gillette Venus. It smells Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what the hell a honey flower is, but girl, it smelled like it. But not least, I have the Native Toothpaste. It's a detoxifying charcoal with mint toothpaste right here. It literally just says brush, rinse, and smile. It's so cute. I'm really excited to try this out. I actually have been loving charcoal toothpaste recently, so that's nice. I've been loving charcoal toothpaste recently, so this is really cute. I'm excited to try it because obviously if I like it, then I can just run over to Target and get it. This is like a Target kind of box. Right here it says new at Target down here. You can't see it, but that's what it says. So apparently you can find all of this stuff on Target, which is really nice. I'm excited to try all these things out and to just have them, you know. Thanks for watching me unbox my newest Influenster box. I'm super excited about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia. I'm a mess, and I'm so happy to be your friend. So yeah, everything I showed off here, I will link it down below in the description box, as well with any of social medias or anything that you guys might want to check out or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.